Want something comfortable which will look juicy on your lips? If you want to see something exciting and a new launch product, then keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now from the initial intro, I am 100% sure y'all are little bit confused that today I'm going to show you or maybe show you the demo of which particular product. Then let me tell you, today it is going to be a new launch product from NYBay and I have the full range. Yes, you heard me right. I have the full range with me. The product which I'm going to talk with you is from NYBay. It is their Gloss Getter Lip Gloss. This is, now I'll just tell you the outer packaging and everything. This is the outer packaging of the box of the lip gloss. Basically, it comes in white cardboard packaging. As I told you, on one side it says all NYBay Gloss Getter Lip Gloss. On the second side it says glossy finish, low to medium coverage, pearly satin finish and lightweight. These are the 4 claims they have given you. When you again turn the packaging, they say how to use and what are the ingredients. They have given you each and everything over here. And on the 4th side of the packaging, they say manufacturing, MRP, expiry, the net content. The MRP of this particular product is 220 rupees. The net content what you are going to get in this is 2.8 ml in per lip gloss. Okay, manufacturing, as I told you, is 11/21. The expiry is 4/24. So total 4 years of shelf life you are going to get. Once again, 11, 21, 22, 23, not 4 years. You are going to get 2.5 years of shelf life. So 220 rupees is the MRP. As I told you, the shelf life. This is basically the outer packaging. On the one side, they say the lip gloss shade number. Over here, you can say it is shade number 1, Berry Rare. And it says 2.8 ml also on the sticker over here. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture, but over here on the black label, they have given you the details. When you open the packaging, I'll show you now the inner component. Okay, the inner component is plastic frosted kind of bottle or tube, you can say, with white cap and with different kinds of lips embossed on it. Okay, it is printed basically, not embossed, it is printed. Okay, on the component it says NYBay with the golden font. It says NYBay Gloss Getter Lip Gloss, and on the bottom of the tube you can find the shade number. Right, it is shade number 1, Berry Rare, 2.8 ml. Same sticker, what is given over here on the packaging, it's the same sticker, but on the component they have not given you manufacturing and expiry. So if at all you want to throw away, you just have to make a tag and you have to keep it. This is the first shade and this is what I'm having right now on my lips. So now what we will do is we will just move towards the swatches of all these lip glosses. The first shade is this, I'll show you. It is Berry Rare. Okay, now one by one we'll move towards all the swatches. Now you all have already seen the swatches of all the lip glosses. Right now what I'm having on my lips is the shade number 7. I'll just tell you the name. It is Caramel Cashew. This is the shade number 7. Now I just forgot to tell you 2 important things. Each and every lip gloss comes in this kind of outer packaging. Okay, I have already removed, but I've kept one just to show you. So this is the outer packaging. It is wrapped in this kind of plastic covering. This lip glosses doesn't have basically any fragrance. If you will ask me whether this is a lip gloss or it is a liquid lipstick, then I will say it is a hybrid of both. it is giving me a glossy effect, but not to the point like what other lip glosses I have in my collection, not that kind of. And it is not even a liquid lipstick also, because it doesn't even dry out also the lips. So it is a hybrid of a liquid lipstick as well as a lip gloss. Now what I'll do is, they say you just have to apply with the wand, whatever they have given the wand. I'll show you the wand also of the lip gloss. They said you just have to apply with it, and if you want you can dab it with your fingers, but I don't need to dab anything. And this is, you can say, a normal doe foot applicator of the lip gloss. Okay, it is not too big, it is not too small, it is in proper size, so that it can hug on your lips and you can apply it very comfortably. This is pretty comfortable on lips. It is like, as I told you, it doesn't dry out the lips and all. And definitely this is a lip gloss, so it is going to transfer, but still we will check whether it is transferring or no. There is nothing on my hand, you can see over here, there is nothing. Yes, it is transferring. Definitely, since it is a lip gloss, it will not give you a matte effect, and like once it is transferred, you can see there's hardly anything left on my lips. So that is a drawback. Like once you pores the lips, or if you eat something, definitely this is not going to stay for a longer time. Now, as I told you, what I'll do is I'll just apply a liquid lipstick, and on top of it I'll apply this, and I'll show you that how it wears off on a liquid lipstick. I'll just come back. Yes, I've already applied the liquid lipstick. It is from the Darling Isabella, shade number 24, Duchess Rich Magenta. This is the lipstick. Now what I'll do is, in front of you all, I will apply a lip gloss. Now for the lip gloss, I'm going to use the shade number 6. It is Nude Longan. That is what the shade is. This is the shade, you can see. I'm going to use this shade on the lip as a lip gloss, and I will see how it applies, because this basically doesn't have any color. And you all must have seen in the swatches as well, shade number 5 and shade number 6 are basically not for the dusky people, because it even doesn't cover the pigmentation of the lips. Rest all colors are pretty good, but shade number 5 and 6 you need to stay away. And if you want to apply only as a lip gloss, then you can go for that 2 shades also. But if you want to apply it as a lip gloss on top of a lipstick, then you can use these 2 shades. But if you want to apply only the lip gloss, not on the lipstick, then it will be a problem for you. So I'll just apply. You all can see right now the lip gloss has totally changed the finish of the lipstick, and it is giving me a pretty pearly finish on my lips. You all can see, even I can see on in the mirror as well. Of course, it has reduce the color, that is the color payoff of the lipstick, but that is what, because I have applied the lip gloss, it is giving me a glossy effect on top of the lipstick. You all can see, and it is giving me a very good nice effect. I like this color, as well as, like as I told you, if you are going to apply it on top of a liquid lipstick or on top of a bullet lipstick, you can go for this, but only as a lip gloss, it might wash you out, the shade number 5 and 6. Basically, I have tried to cover, I have told you the MRP, I have told you the 7 shades, all these 7 shades I have swatched for you. I have told you which shades you can keep away, it doesn't have the fragrance. If at all, like you have anything to ask me, or if I have forgotten anything to let you all know, then you can definitely let me know in the comment section. You can ask me in the comment section, or else even you can DM me on Instagram also. I'll give you my Insta handle also on the screen, so you can DM me over there also. And if you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, you can ask me, like you can let me know that also in the comment section, or else in the Instagram. And if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel. And if at all you feel I have made some mistakes and all, basically I'm not well, but just because I wanted to upload this video, I have filmed the video. So if at all I'm fumbled somewhere, or if any mistake, then please bear with me and excuse me for that. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.